everyone, it's the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one from Japan. This came out of a Meow Mall Nakama Noodles box. You can go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, box, Japan.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider and get yourself a groovy freaking discount. This is like a Korean-Japanese beefy fusion thing. The name of it is in the title of this. Vidya. There's our noodle block. I'm going to show you something really quick too. So here's the noodle block. You'd think you'd dropped in. No. On the conveyor belt, it goes up in. See how much easier that is? They figured that out too. This one smells really good. It's got a nice beef scent to it. So I'm excited. Look at me. Wow. The excitement. Yeah. All right. Look at all that. Whoa. Okay. That's considering. Okay. That's if we can actually, we're able to see that. But I'm going to fill this up to the line. There. And this is going to go for 3 minutes while I talk about school. So, yeah, I absolutely hated school growing up. Elementary school, hated it. Now, I liked it until about 3rd or 4th grade before people turned into weasels. But high school was rough because I'm kind of a weird guy. Look what I'm doing today. So, yeah, that didn't go over well in the 80s. Yeah. In the early 90s. But what I ended up doing was, what happened? I was in a little office and there was a computer that was like screwed up and I tried to fix it and I didn't have any luck. I figured out what was wrong with it, but I didn't have what I could do with it. It was on my lunch and I was like, this is really cool, but yeah, it's all screwed up. So I put it back exactly the way it was. These scumbags I was hanging out with got questioned about it. They said, oh, he did it. He ruined it. He destroyed it. I didn't ruin it. And I told them exactly what the issue was. They didn't care. They gave me detention. I refused. I'm not going to do detention for doing something, trying to help out. So then I decided I'm just not going to go back to high school. And so they came at me like, well, why don't you go to college? I'm like, okay. So I got in this program called Running Start, started going to college. Downside of that was that I was going to college with my father, and that wasn't much fun. And then, yeah, then I got my GED and kind of hovered for some years. Then in like 2007, I went back to college, went through almost their entire computer program. And that was a lot of fun. I took all sorts of extra classes like art history and film and jazz, world music, all this stuff to find out that you only get so many credits. Or nobody ever told me that. They just said, oh yeah, great, blah, blah, blah. I would take like full boat, 15 credits per quarter, over and over and over, even summer. And then they're like, oh, you don't have enough credits to get your degree. I'm like, oh. So I got a bunch of certificates, but it was fun though. Now I would totally go back, but it's too expensive. It's like, why do they charge people to go to school? Shouldn't taxes pay for that? Then you get like a workforce that's going to school and they're all happy. I don't know. They're smart. Let's make America smart again. Well, wait. For the first time? I don't know. But it's like, it's a shame. It's all a shame. Ooh. Look at those meaty bits, would you? I see meaty bits abounding, folks. Oh. There we go. Wow, look at the little beef nuggets. Beef nuggets? You like beef nuggets, folks? I don't know, this one just smelled really good. I will be the first to admit, though, about my thoughts on cup noodles. I'm just not super duper thrilled about cup noodle. I just can't. I've had some that I've really, really liked, but as a whole, I'm just not super sold on it. I really love their rao, their shokunin, and all that. We'll see. I'm just a really picky guy. I think that's the deal. I like the fact that they come out with all sorts of different versions and different flavors. That is where it's at. Definitely a big cup of noodles. There's a lot. Mmm. Alright. A little beef nugget. Nugget. Mmm. God, that's really hot. I like that. It's kind of like a beef gravy, interesting deal. Good. This is good. I'm. The more I try it, the more I'm enthused by it. There's all sorts of stuff going on here, isn't there? One more try, and it looks outside like it's gonna get rainy, perhaps. Oh. It's good. That's a good one. Okay. I wanted to like it, and I do. I really expected a little bit less from this one, but this one's good. But one thing we're gonna find. Okay, come on. Ease on down the road. So there's that. I'm gonna add some of that. It's the wrong region, but I've got extra. And I usually use that on in Chinese varieties, but it just seems to fit. Going with an egg too. You're not sitting this one out, Mr. Egg. Sorry. Add some sprouts. Right there. You know, it's really hard to plate cup noodles. I'm going to tell you that right now because there's usually so much noodle, there's no room. But this one's actually working out pretty well, I gotta say. Add a little more of this right. Crushed red pepper or shichimi? I'm going to go with some... just a little dust of shichimi, like right... empty? It's empty. Okay, that's not gonna work. Fine, crushed red pepper it is. There's not much of it either. Yeah, it is a large amount of cup noodle. Looks pretty good. Alright. That's what I'm doing today. I'm about to head back out on the open road. Oh, baby. All right. Well, that's about all we got for today. This will be when it's published, the 4,999th review of Noodle by me. So, there's going to be some skipping involved because I don't have a number 5,000 yet, but we'll see when it happens. Don't worry. It'll probably, for you, end up, you'll see. But anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you continued enjoyment of your noodles each and every freaking day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.